Today is a really fun day for me. I am turning 50,000 miles.
50,000 miles on this beast.
I put about 8,000 on it since I purchased it back in 2021. And today my buddy Mike has put on a really fun long drive for us. I'm on my way right now to go meet up with the group. Then I'm gonna take you guys along on the drive. So I can't wait. I can't believe that we got this beast finally running perfectly to where I can actually put some miles on it and have some fun. Got to clean your windscreen.
No, the other side of the real quick here, so we're going to drive up to Georgetown, and then we're going to turn left and drive through Georgetown. I thought about stopping there originally, but there was a little cafe there, but they're not open right now, so I'm like, screw it, we'll just go through. And then we're going to go all the way out to Stumpy Meadows Reservoir. And Stumpy Meadows Reservoir, it comes up really fast when you can't see it till you literally into the corner, and there's a little turnoff to the right. So as you start to see the water in the lake, slow down and just start looking for us.
This one's recording too.
Since we're filming this for the channel, you guys, we do need to take in consideration some safety measures. We have a lot of stuff hanging off of back of a Tesla here, in front of it too. We have a camera on the back and a camera on the front, so we can get you both ways. Now Owen's gonna be driving, and if you see him start to decelerate and he's in front of you, that means you should pass him, because we are gonna then film your car doing its cool thing front and back. When we're actually filming and passing, we're not going full 130 miles an hour. We're really only gonna be passing it. Yeah, we're passing at the speed limit or even under because of the camera frame rates and stuff. Right. So, you know, kind of nice casual drive by and we'll get it. Other than that, I think that's it. We have radios, we could talk to each other. Mike, thanks for putting this on. Got you a little thank you gift here.
All right, there we go. Wow. Boom.
We all started on those things and now we have the real thing. So I just wanted to say thank you guys. I met all you one way or another through the YouTube channel, and right as I was turning in here, I hit 50,000 miles on my car. We've been through a lot together. Replaced the engine, replaced the gearbox. It's been a great 18 months. Now's not the time to stop. 50,000! Yeah! And
bro, I didn't think you were ever gonna get to this place. You're here.
I know, with you, with Mike. I know, I can't believe it.
This is how we met, right here. Right here.
Was all through, actually these are the Puma Ferraris you commented on.
Yep. I saw your shoes and I just commented on your video, and then we ended up becoming friends.
And then you bought a 360.
I did.
And then a 328.
Yeah.
Who knows what's next?
Whatever.
Maybe a 458 next.
An expedition.
Yeah. All right, you guys, let's do it. Being badass. Boom.
No, man.
Man, you guys, I can't believe it. 50,000 miles. You know, when I bought this in 2021, it had 42,000 miles on it. So what, that's like 8,000 in almost 5 years. Now, trust me, I wish it could have been more, but to replace an engine, a gearbox, and I don't know, everything in the car, it takes some time. But here we are, we're in the most beautiful, picturesque setting, and I'm with some of my best friends.
You look really comfortable in there.
It is comfy. The seat hugs me nice and tenderly as I drive. With my unassisted steering.
Right.
My Momo.
I call that Momo equipped. Yeah. Oh yeah. See, why can't they still do that? Horns that are real.
You know,
Italian
that is an Italian horn,
My horn
folks.
sounds like it came out of a Honda Civic.
We're gonna go with a GoPro in the rear window. It's gonna give us some cool video of the other cars. This is Mark Cleaner's car. What a gorgeous car. There's Matt's. There's our video car.
Matt is actually going to fly the drone from the passenger seat of his own Ferrari and fly it over our convoy here. Mike Thomas in the lead car, the white 458, he's trying to give the camera car, the Tesla, an opportunity to get past him.
Man, this is so clean. Man, this is crazy.
This is super fun.
Wow. Wow, this is slippery. Owen in the Tesla, you could fall back behind Matt.
So we're just four friends who really met because we own Ferraris and we're in the Ferrari club together. And I would say in the aggregate, all four of us met through the Ferrari club, and then we developed a friendship. And we do this on Saturdays, which is of course totally rad.
All right, we actually made it. We're driving through some snow, some water, sliding around, but we're here.
We had a great drive up and over Ice House Road and drove through snow and water. What a great time.